Good morning, students. Let us talk about articles today. What is an article? What are the articles? A and the are called articles. They always come before a noun or noun phrase and help to identify the person, place, animal, or thing referred to by them. The articles A and N are called indefinite articles and they come before singular countable nouns and they identify the person or thing they represent in a general way. For example, in the sentence, a woman came in a car. Now, the indefinite article a identifies the noun that follows as some woman and as some car without telling us anything more specific about them. Similarly, in the sentence, I saw an object lying there, the indefinite article N simply identifies what was seen as some object. The indefinite article A is used when the following noun begins with a consonant sound and the indefinite article N appears when the following noun begins with the vowel sound. Now I'm giving you some examples and then it will make you more clear because the noun which follows the indefinite article in the first two sentences begin with consonant sound. The noun following the indefinite article in the past in the other two sentences begin with vowel sounds. As you all know, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. But see, you just take care of this thing, and that is, I'm talking about sounds. Because sometimes the vowel also can sound like a consonant, and sometimes consonant also sounds like a vowel. So we have to keep into mind the sound. I wrote with a pencil. Bina was baking a cake. An owl hooted. Let me give you an umbrella. Now it is very clear that article A is used with something which is indefinite and an is used where the sound, it is the vowel sound is there. So what are the vowels? I already told you there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. It is important to remember that we are referring to consonant and vowel sounds and not letters. Because sometimes the indefinite article A appears with words beginning with the letter U. Because in the words concerned, the letter is pronounced as the consonant sound U. Vinod wants to join a university. Now, the spelling of university is U. Despite U being vowel, sounds like a consonant. So, A is used. We are members of a union. Similarly, the indefinite article an is used before words beginning with H because the H is silent, the consonant letter is silent, and the sound is O. You are an honest person. Spelling is Honest, but H is silent, and therefore, because of the vowel sound, we are writing N. You are an honest person. I have been waiting for an hour. Now let us talk about the definite article the. The definite article the precedes both singular or plural, referring to the person or thing they represent in a specific way. If we talk in a general sense, if we talk in a general manner, we use indefinite article. But the definite article the refers usage in a specific sense. For example, Deepu saw the helicopter take off. Now here, use of definite article indicates that it was a specific helicopter that Deepu saw. And this information is shared by the speaker as well as by the listener. Again in the sentence, will you watch the film? The use of definite article indicates a specific film. Look at the following sentences. I tell you, the acrobat ran up the rope ladder. Keep the apple and the banana on a plate. The dog chased a cat up a tree. Hamid was waiting for Alok at the bus stop. The indefinite article is used in following situations. Before a noun that is introduced for the first time in speech or writing. I will tell you about an officer in the Indian Navy. Secondly, it is used before a noun that represents not an individual person or thing, but as a whole class. A doctor must have a lot of compassion. So here, reference is not to a particular doctor, but to all members of the profession. Number one. Number three, to indicate the numeral one, I gave him a rupee. With personal names in two very specific situations. When the person referred to is a stranger to the speaker, father has gone to the bank with a doctor saying. Now, a doctor saying, generally we don't use article, but here we are using it because it is unknown person. When the qualities of the person and not the person herself are being referred, we use indefinite article. Rohit is turning out to be an Einstein that is very good at physics. Your niece is a Sonal Mansingh. Here Sonal Mansingh doesn't mean Sonal Mansingh in particular, but an exceptionally talented artist or dancer. So these were the tips about usage of indefinite article. In my next lecture, I shall be talking about the definite article.